from photo to 3D character in Character Creator. Ever wanted to step inside your photos? Today we're using the Headshot plugin in Character Creator 4 to turn this 2D portrait into a fully animated 3D character. It's like having a digital sculptor that uses your photo as a blueprint. First, head over to the Headshot tab. Click the image placeholder to find your photo. We'll use auto mode for the best results. Just tell the AI it's a male with clean soft skin and hit generate. This is where the magic happens. The reveal visual, the progress bar fills, and the 3D head appears. Rotate the model slightly. Look at that! The AI has mapped the facial features perfectly, but a character needs more than just a face. Let's head to the Content tab to get him dressed. Drag and drop the white t-shirt, black vest, and blue jeans onto the model. Dressing your character is as simple as dragging and dropping. We'll start with a classic white tee, add a vest for some style, and finish with some blue jeans. Select Motion, and apply the male walk VO. Now, let's give him a soul. Go to Motion and select Male Walk. Just like that, our photo is moving. Use the Modify sliders to fine-tune the proportions. A little adjustment to the head and hand scale makes him feel just right. And there you have it. From a flat photo to a living 3D character in minutes. Now it's your turn. What will you create?